Cool, look at that. CN double stack, headed east. Here on the 6th of October 2021 with an EX Citirail locomotive in there. I was just about to leave when this came too, so very odd. This will probably be the last train of the day for me. You can see the light is pretty low now. Dorval ramps. Looks like auto racks maybe on the end of that. If I film this way, there's a possibility I can get a plane as well. Oh, that's the end of the train. It's not a long one, is it? And there's the plane. There's the plane that I was looking for. There it is. And there's the train. Headed off around the bend. And it's waiting in line because the train that I filmed earlier is still there with the tank cars. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.